random variables and its probability distributions. In most of the random experiments, we were not only interested in the particular outcome that occurs, but rather in some number associated with that outcomes. For example, in tossing two dice, we may be interested in the sum of the numbers on the two dice. In tossing a coin 50 times, we may want the number of heads obtained. In the experiment of taking 4 articles at random from a lot of 20 articles, in which 6 are defective, we want to know the number of defectives in the sample of 4. In all these experiments, we have a rule which assigns to each outcome of the experiment a single real number. This single real number may vary with different outcomes of the experiment. Hence, it is a variable. Also, its value depends upon the outcome of random experiment and hence it is called random variable. And it is denoted by capital X. The random variable X is a function whose domain is the set of outcomes of a random experiment. A random variable can take any real value. Therefore, its codomain is the set of real numbers. Definition: a random variable is a real valued function whose domain is the sample space of a random experiment. For example, consider the experiment of tossing a coin 2 times in succession. The sample space of the experiment is S is equal to set of HH, HT, TH and TT. If capital X denotes the number of heads obtained, then X is a random variable and for each outcome, its value is X of HH is equal to 2, X of HT is equal to 1, X of TH is equal to 1 and X of TT is equal to 0. More than one random variables can be defined on the sample space. For example, let Y denote the number of heads minus the number of tails for each outcome of the given sample space S. Then Y of HH is equal to 2, Y of HT is equal to 0, Y of TH is equal to 0 and Y of TT is equal to minus 2. Thus, X and Y are two different random variables defined on the sample space S. Probability distribution of a random variable. Consider the experiment of selecting one family out of 10 families F1, F2, etc. F10 in such a manner that each family is equally likely to be selected. Let the families F1, F2, F3, F4, etc. up to F10 have 3, 4, 3, 2, 5, 4, 3, 6, 4 and 5 members respectively. Let us select a family and note down the number of members in the family denoting capital X. Now, X of F1 is equal to 3, X of F2 is equal to 4, X of F3 is equal to 3, etc. Thus, X can take any value 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 depending upon which family is selected. X is equal to 4 when family F2, F4 or F9 is selected. X is equal to 5 when family F5 or F10 is selected, etc. Now, the probability that family F4 is selected is 1 by 10. Thus, the probability that X can take the value 2 is 1 by 10. We write probability of X is equal to 2 is equal to 1 by 10. Also, the probability that any one of the families F1, F3 or F7 is selected is probability of F1, F3, F7 is equal to 3 by 10. Probability of X is equal to 5 is 2 by 10, etc. Such a description giving the values of the random variable along with the corresponding probabilities is called the probability distribution of the random variable X. Definition: the probability distribution of a random variable X is the system of numbers x is equal to x1, x2, etc. up to xn, and p of x is p1, p2, etc. up to pn, where pi is not equal to 0 and sigma I is equal to 1 to n, pi is equal to 1. The real numbers x1, x2, etc. xn are the possible values of the random variable x, and pi is the probability of the random variable x taking the value xi. That is, p of capital X is equal to xi is equal to small pi.